YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Wavy Hendrix, aka Lottie, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Back with another video. It's been forever, man, but I missed y'all, man. I've been going through a whole lot of stuff with my personal life, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna talk about it on here, because I'm still going through it, man. As I get more comfortable with that, I'll definitely put y'all on games of what's been going on. The one thing I can tell y'all is my dog just passed away, and that's been super hard. So it's been like really hard to just be coming in here and trying to do a video upload. That all of that's just been tough. Um, More with that being said as well, lately I've been using this product, 360 Brotherhood. They got a defining cream and a curling enhancer, all that stuff like that. They got all that good stuff, the moisturizer and the butter. And I'm not gonna lie, I like what it's been doing for my hair. It's been working. Usually I show y'all unragged and stuff like that, but just follow me on Instagram so y'all can see what the waves is looking like. I put up a nice little Christmas picture, and hopefully y'all like that. You know what I'm saying? Um, Big news is your boy work at Champs. You feel me? So it's like I'm the greatest Champs employee ever. Like they don't even know it yet. So we just gonna throw that out there. I'm the greatest Champs employee ever. I definitely do want to move up. You know what I'm saying? I want to work hard enough to move up and stuff like that. Man, if y'all seen me before and y'all know where I find me, y'all know where to go. Y'all know what it is. Come through, say what's up, take a flick, throw it on the gram, say you met me. It is what it is. We lit. um, I'm the waviest Champs worker out here. You feel me? Ain't nobody working in Champs got better ways than me. Now let me tell you the perks about working at Champs. So you work at Champs, and pretty much what happens is you get anything you want. In terms of holding a sneaker down and all of that stuff like that. So no more waiting in lines, no more raffles, no more none of that. So that's a huge perk for working at Champs. Matter of fact, let me give y'all two examples. Well, I just give y'all one. It doesn't matter. So because I work at Champs, they hold down sneakers for me. So everybody who was going dumb hard at the release, right? They put my name on the box, you know what I'm saying? And that just comes down to because I work there, I get it. Nothing matters, you know what I'm saying? So y'all already know what it is. It dropped. 45 on the back. It's my joint, man. We litty. So I ain't have to wait in line. I ain't have to do none of that. And I'm not gonna brag. I'm just gonna let y'all know. Like I said, this is a wave channel for the head. This is a sneaker channel. So anytime I pick up something, anytime I do anything like that, I'm definitely gonna try to put y'all into game. And like I said, man, if y'all want to see stuff with me in the store, if y'all want to see anything like that, y'all just let me know, and I'll try my best to deliver. You know what I'm saying? That kind of style of video and stuff like that. Um, in terms of brushing and brush in terms of brush sessions, we about to get back onto those heavy, as I've been slacking. Like I said, I've been super stressed out lately, and it's crazy how stressed out I've been. um so we're gonna work on that. We're definitely gonna work on fixing all of this. Like we gotta get back to where we were in terms of just making videos. It's not gonna change how I'm feeling, but it'll definitely just, you know what I'm saying, keep our family tightly knit and what we doing on this channel tightly knit. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all deserve that. And y'all also deserve better. You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely gonna keep giving y'all content, uploading, and trying to stay focused, because that's what my baby will want me to do. That's what she tells me to do. She tells me to stay focused, lock in, and get in these videos. She know who she is. But with that being said, shout out to everybody who's been watching the video. I'm gonna try to deliver some more content. There's been a lot of stuff. I haven't been recording or nothing like that. There's been a lot of stuff going on though. Funny stuff, some serious stuff, and also some sad stuff. So, like I said, we'll try to figure it out. I will let y'all know if y'all made it to this point in the video. I'll let y'all know one thing that has happened in my life that's just been crazy, and it's so my dog passed away 2 days ago. Actually, it's 3 days ago now. And to be honest, it's like the worst feeling ever. And I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, your dog is literally your best friend. I had my dog for 17 years, so that feeling is just trash, and I miss my dog. So, like I said, man, if y'all loyal and y'all know what it is, man, down below, just hit them RIPs for my Paulie. That's my dog. You know what I'm saying? And let's get it.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on no Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta.